Hello, this is my remote control car project. I made it using an airplane remote controller and an airplane receiver here. And it also has an Arduino and a motor driver. So the way it works is, first we press the button here and it sends signals to the motors. Unfortunately, because there is only 9 volts, I disconnected this motor, so I'm only using these 2 motors, and they are really spinning. See, even they don't have enough power to spin. So 9 volts is not enough. So again, I have an Arduino, a motor driver, and a receiver. So we send the signal using the remote controller. The blue receiver here receives the signal. Then it sends it to Arduino, and the Arduino does the processing. So what the goal of the Arduino is to receive the right signal. So if it receives an up signal, the motor should turn forward, and it will send the signal to the right digital pins of the motor driver, which go here inside. So there are 4 digital pins. One of them is responsible for movement of the motor A, which is this side, I think. The other is responsible for going backwards of motor A still. The other 2 ports are forward and backward of motor A and of motor B, sorry. The code is pretty simple. The hardest part is understanding how the system should work, which I did. And I also had many issues when making the project. The first issue was that the Arduino board was, I don't know, fake, or it was not working, and so it was not processing information correctly. The other thing is that there wasn't enough power. First of all, I was using some kind of a battery from another toy, and I think it only gave 7 or 8 volts, which was not enough. So I decided to buy a new 9-volt battery, which gives more power. But still, it's not enough to power the current for 4 motors. So I'm only using 2 motors, and I disconnected the 2 of this side. What else can I say? The receiver. So we give plus minus from the motor driver, which has 9 volts from here. There's a 5-volt pin, and we give it here. And the minus goes also to the motor drive and to the battery. Another thing is we have 2 signals being received. One is this forward movement, the other is right movement. And they are interpreted differently. And that's pretty much it. All the car needs to do now on this stage of the project is move forward, backward, and do turns. It does turns like a tank. So when we want to turn left, the car locks this wheel so they don't spin at all, and these wheels turn, both of them. To turn right, you do the vice versa. That's pretty much it about my project. Thank you.